A skill that I've gained would definitely be production planning. It's really great to be able to holistically look at production. That was something that I didn't necessarily think I was going to get out of this. And I probably, thinking about it, I was like, maybe I could figure it out on my own, but to be able to fast track that knowledge was pretty nice. Some of the knowledge that I gained that really helps out in my full-time job would definitely be what it is that executives are looking at and what investors are looking at and how it all rolls up into the big picture, and to be able to sit in these meetings and essentially I can hang in these conversations, I can contribute. So that's really been a fantastic contribution to my full-time gig. The capstone project that we did was machine learning and CNC manufacturing. Prior to the final course, when I applied for the degree with my company, I basically said, hey, I'm gonna get this degree, Professional Master's in Manufacturing Leadership, and will you kindly pay for it? And as soon as I submitted that application to the company, within weeks, I was getting solicited for a promotion. The Professional Masters of Manufacturing Leadership actually helped me get that promotion, and without it, I think it would have taken a lot longer.
This program definitely is meant for working professionals, and without that, it wouldn't have been possible for me. Having the other cohorts also being working professionals, the professors really understood, and everything being online and in the evenings, that wouldn't have been possible with work and kids and everything else going on. What I've been learning has definitely helped me in my promotion recently. I went to a department that needed to be turned around, and we had just finished a course on organizational change that really helped that. During this program, the faculty were great, the professors were always accessible, the support group was always accessible and always ready to help us. I can attest to the rigor and excellence, having received my bachelor's degree from Georgia Tech and now going through this PMML program. It was just as hard, just as important and respected program as receiving a bachelor's from here. So I already had a green belt, so getting a black belt was on the radar, but getting it during this program was a nice surprise and a nice bonus to add to my qualifications that'll help me in my career. Yeah, having a small cohort that we went through all the classes and everything together was a benefit because we all brought our insights and we learned off of each other for 2 years, so it was a nice way of doing this program.